Hi, I'm Kel from Promenaid, and today we're going to be talking about the Promenaid pivoting handrail bracket. So the way the bracket works is it clips into a channel in the underside of the Promenaid railing. So you can see there's a channel that runs the full length of the railing, which means that you can clip in the bracket without any fasteners at any position on the railing where you want to have a bracket to attach to a wall stud or other structural member. To lock the bracket in place on the handrail, you only have to twist it 90 degrees, and the little teeth on the head of the handrail bracket bite into the channel and hold it securely. To reposition the bracket, unlock it, move it to whatever position you require, and twist it again. If you've repositioned the bracket multiple times, it could become loose in the channel. And the way you fix that is to take this little tab that provides the force that pushes the teeth into the aluminum channel and bend the tab out slightly with a flathead screwdriver. Then, when you place the bracket in and twist it, it'll lock securely in place again. To attach the bracket to the wall, we supply stainless steel screws that are 2.5 inches long and are suitable for studs made of metal or made of wood. If you're going into wooden studs, you want to drill a good-sized pilot hole so that the screws are not stressed going in. And pro tip, drill the pilot hole on a slight angle pointing towards the center of the stud. That'll prevent the stud from splitting when you tighten the screw. 5/32 bit is ideal for drilling pilot holes for the screws, so you'll need an electric screwdriver for that, and you'll need a number 3 Phillips head bit to drive the screw and prevent any damage to the screw head. Thanks for tuning in.